And hello again, gang. Welcome back to Nomadic Wandering Star. We're north of Ash Fork right now, on a little road called Terry Lane. We're going to look at a piece of property, 2.2 acres for about $7,000. So we plugged this into the GPS and Alexa, and this is the way she told us to go. It's down Terry Lane, and it looked pretty good. Nice hard pack. Looked like it could be a little muddy and whatnot. But as we go, it gets worse. This is part one of a 3 parts video, and it ends where it starts to get really exciting. But we'll let you enjoy it. You can fast forward if you want, but you basically miss it, because all this is just a video of the road, and you can see the way we're bouncing. If you watch some of the bushes, you'll see they're whipping around pretty good from the wind. And I stop every now and then just to stop the truck from bouncing and racking around. We're racking around. We look like a basketball on a boxcar. But yeah, just enjoy it and see what kind of roads they got out here. That the county actually made this a road, and it's actually named. And the road coming out is a little bit better, but not by much. So if you're thinking about it, looking at some property up north of Ash Fork, do not go on Terry Lane. So sit back and enjoy, and we'll pop in and out and see how everything's going. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, share, and leave a comment. Like I said, my van is a 2-wheel drive, not 4-wheel drive, and she's got a heart of gold. She's got good clearance, probably about 24 inches of clearance. As you can see right there, took a big bounce. But yeah, just sit back and check it out. And here's where we run into where the road starts to get a little exciting. There's a lot of large rocks. It's mostly washout, I guess would be the best way to describe it. So yeah, right here I think we tooled down to probably 4 or 5 miles an hour, maybe a little faster at some points. And you can see where the river rock, well, I call it river rock because that's what it looks like, but it's not what it is. But yeah, he's poking through. And it makes things really exciting just driving around it. It just keeps getting better. And yes, there are people that live down here. Isn't that something? They drive this road. How they get in and out? Wow. It's posted no trespassing and whatnot. And well, we're coming to the end of part 1 here, so you guys stay tuned, because that was the better part of the road. So when we're going up now, it's definitely not more better. That definitely gets a little bit odd. So stay tuned for part 2. Don't forget, give us subscribe, give us a like, share, and leave us a comment. So we'll be seeing y'all in a little while. Thank you much. We love you guys watching.